Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Muhammad Usman Anwar. I am resident of neurosurgery at Fatma Jinnah Medical University, Sir Gangaram Hospital, Lahore. Today I am going to present outcome of anterior cervical discectomy and fusion with stand-alone PEEK cage in cervical degenerative diseases. First of all, degenerative spinal diseases includes disc desiccation, decreased height, herniation, and instability at the motion segment. Disease burden is 25% individuals under the age of 40, 50% of individuals over the age of 40, and 85% over the age of 60. So more incidence is in the old age. Goals of surgery are effective neural decompression, spinal stability, and sagittal balance. Coming to the management. First of all, it's conservative. We try to treat the patient conservatively. If the conservative management fails, then we go for the surgical approach. Coming to the surgical approaches, there are two main approaches, fusion and fixation, and second one is the motion preserving surgery. Fusion and fixation include Cloward approach, which includes tricortical graft. Hirsch, then Robin and Smith, which include bicortical graft, and the last one is Hirsch, which include no graft. Fusion can be done with different sorts of grafts. It includes allograft, autograft, xenograft, and PEEK cage. ACDF with and without anterior cervical plating can be done. While motion preserving surgery, artificial disc is placed, which is called arthroplasty. Type of grafts used are bone, non-metallic, and metallic. In this study, after trial of conservatory treatment for surgical management, anterior cervical discectomy with PEEK cage assisted fusion without any cervical plating was performed. What are the disadvantages of plating? Need of screw placement, which compromises integrity and stability of vertebral body. Basically, there are three post-op also complications, which include the biomechanical complications, tracheoesophageal complications, and first the main is wrong placement of the screws. Questions are, is plating actually required in degenerative spinal diseases? Can ACDF without plating give adequate interbody fusion? Objective of the study. Objective of the study was to evaluate the efficacy of PEEK cage in ACDF without plating in terms of improvement in symptomatology, rates of subsidence, and postoperative complications. It was a retrospective case series, duration of 1.5 years. From January 2020 till today, 21 cases were included in the study, 13 were males and 8 were female. It was done in all department of neurosurgery, Sir Gangaram Hospital, Lahore. Inclusion criteria include patient having cervical degenerative diseases of both genders between age of 28 to 60 years. While patients which were excluded were having cervical trauma, infection, malignancy, and previous spinal injury or surgery. The postoperative clinical and radiological data for patients who underwent anterior cervical discectomy and fusion with PEEK cages for degenerative cervical disc disease without plate fixation. Improvement in neurological status and post-op complications were noted at immediate post-op day, after 48 hours, and after the 6 weeks. These are some MRI showing disc in the different levels. These are the sagittal section, and these are the axial section showing the disc. Procedure to do discectomy was anterior cervical discectomy, ACDF, syncrease incision, transverse incision was given, platysma cut, carotid sheath and lateral carotid sheath laterally at trachea, and esophagus retracted midly. Cloward detector applied to retract the longus colli muscles. Microscope was applied. After confirming the level with C-arm, discectomy was done. Bony osteophytes removed and end plates prepared with high-speed drill diamond burr. And posterior longitudinal ligament was given an incision with blade 11. P cage with bone dust filling was placed. Wound closed in reverse order. These are on the left side. There are the phantoms for sizing, and on the right side, these are the P cages. And the bone dust is filled in these P cages before the placement. This is the image after placing the P cage. We used to do the cervical plating 3 or 4 years back, but now we are only doing the P cage without cervical plating. These are the images with cervical plating. These are the results or after post-op x-rays of our patient with P cage placement. Coming to the involvement of disc level, the most of the time the disc involved was C5 and C6 level, and the least was C3 and C4. Complication seen in these patients, only one patient shows dysphagia and only one patient has subsidence. So coming to the results, total number were 21. 13 were male and 13 were male and 8 were female between the age of 28 to 60 years. 16 had radiculopathy and 5 had myelopathy radiculopathy. 16 had the single level disease while 5 had the adjacent level disease. Improvement of radiculopathy was seen in 16 patients, while improvement of myelopathy 4 out of 5 patients, which upgraded the MRC grading by 1 grade. Subsidence occurred only in one patient who underwent the adjacent level surgery. Coming to the conclusion, use of P cage alone as disc substitute in ACDF for degenerative cervical spinal disease is associated with better spinal alignment, achieving adequate disc height and interbody fusion. Low incidence of post-operative complications like dysphagia, subsidence after 3 months post-operatively, and has advantage of absence of donor side morbidity, infection at the donor side. Thank you.